This channel has 200,000 plus subscribers, and he is uploading videos about Stoicism. If you don't know what is Stoicism, it is primarily concerned with the development of virtue and wisdom as the path to true happiness. The Stoics believed that individuals could achieve inner peace and tranquility by understanding and aligning their lives with the natural order of the universe. Let's move back on the channel and see what the average monthly views this channel is gaining. I have vidIQ extension that helps me to check any channel stats. So this channel is getting over 1 million views per month, and if we do estimate with $3 of RPM, then this channel's earnings are almost $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Now, why I like this niche? Because it is very easy to edit, and there are high chances for growth if your channel is new. I found another channel that has 41,000 plus subscribers, and let's check his older video that is 4 months old. It means there are high chances of growth for a new creator. See, every video has a good number of views, and there are not 100 plus videos on this channel. Now, this is a step-by-step process in which I'm going to create this channel in a very easy way. If you are a beginner, then must watch this complete video without skipping any part now. After watching this complete video, you will be able to create videos like this.
The ancient Stoics valued discretion and the wisdom of silence, acknowledging that not every thought or experience needs to be shared with the world.
First of all, I need a script. Now find 3 to 4 viral videos on YouTube, just paste your video title, and after that, apply a filter of view count and then open 3 to videos, because these are already viral videos, then it's mean. There are high chances to get views on the same topic, because people are interested in these videos. That's why there are thousands of views on these videos. Open one video. Now find its transcript, and we will rewrite the script in our way. Copy it and open ChatGPT, write this prompt here, and paste the script here. Press enter, and here our script is ready. Now this script is engaging because this is extracted from the already viral video. In the next step, I need images and videos, and I'm going to generate images from Leonardo. You already know how to use Leonardo because I already told you about this AI tool in my preview videos. I generate this prompt for ChatGPT and simply paste it here, press enter, and wait for the result. Download these images by pasting prompts one by one. If you want different images, then just write the desired word or sentence and press enter, and here your next image is ready. Next is the video editing step, and this is very important because you can make your video more engaging by using these easy editing steps. First of all, import all your data in CapCut, and after that, I need to remove the background of this image. Simply go on Google and search here free background remover. Open this site and upload your image here. See, the background is removed. Go back on CapCut, upload the image, and drag it here. Now I am going to choose this video as my background. Let me show you what I mean. Click on adjustment and decrease its saturation like this. Adjust its brightness lower and increase contrast like this. Now it is looking in black and white color. After this, click on the statue, and I'm going to convert this statue into black and white. So click on adjustment and repeat the previous process like this. Now I need a moving effect in the video from the left side to the right side, so I'm going to add keyframes here. Click on the video, add a keyframe, and write the X value here. For example, I'm writing this value. Then move this bar at the end, and now add the keyframe again and change the value into a minus sign like this here. My background is moving from one side to the other side. Now repeat the same process with second image. Adjust its color first and turn this image into black and white. Click on adjustment and then decrease its brightness and increase the contrast. Now increase its scale like this and adjust its position like this. Add keyframe, and then you have to write any value here according to the image size and position. Now, move this bar at the end of the clip, write the minus value here like this, and add the end keyframe. See my video, it looks like the camera is moving around the person. After this, I need a blur effect, and you can find this effect from here. Apply this on both images, but set it opacity like this. Now repeat this process for the second image to set its opacity level. And when you are done, your clip is looking like this. I hope you like this easy tutorial and see how easy it is to make a super engaging clip like this. Now repeat the process and make all the video clips like this. In the next step, I need a voiceover. Go to lovo.ai and sign up here. After creating an account, open its the main dashboard and choose the deep and engaging voiceover artist. Now, paste your video script here and click on this generate button. Wait for seconds, and when your voiceover is ready, download it and upload it on CapCut. Drag the voiceover under the video clips, and now there is a need for background music. Open Pixabay, select the music filter, and search here for ancient geek music. Listen to these music files and download whatever you like. Go back on CapCut, paste the background music here below the voiceover, and decrease its volume. Now it is time to add captions to my video, and if you observe others' videos, the style of captions is like this. So I need this type of caption, and in the CapCut, there is a very easy trick to add captions. Move back on CapCut and then click on this text icon. Now click Captions, and then select Auto Generate. Wait for some seconds, and after that, edit your caption style and font. Here are many options for the style. You can choose any of them. But I like the style. You can adjust its position and change the font if you don't like this font. Here my video is ready. Just export your video onto your laptop. Now I need an attractive and eye-catching thumbnail. I'm going to make a thumbnail like this on Canva. You know, Canva is very easy to use, and you can make a wonderful thumbnail here if you're not a Photoshop expert. First of all, change the background. Click on this icon and then the gradient color. I need a black and white background, so I'm going to select these colors here like this. See, here's my background is ready. Now it's time to upload the character. I have already downloaded this character, and you can find it from Google, and also you can generate it from Leonardo.ai. Add some filters here, click on this icon, and then choose Filter. Here are many options, but I need some black and white filter. This is good, and I think now it is looking perfect. Now add some text on the thumbnail. Click on the text and then write something related to the video topic in the text. For example, I am writing these words here, and do not change the font style. Here, this font is seen as good, and also remember that don't select any fancy and thin font here. Always use bold fonts and write only 3 to 4 words in the thumbnail. Do not overwrite here. Some people write the complete title of the video in their thumbnails. If I write the complete story of my video in thumbnail, then it can cause the loss of attention from a viewer. But you use less words in thumbnail, then it create a curiosity in the viewer's mind, and then they definitely click on you video because they'll want to know what will happen in the video. And you know, this kind of thumbnails look better and more attractive. When you are done, download the thumbnail by clicking the share icon and then download it. Here is the final result.
The ancient Stoics valued discretion and the wisdom of silence, acknowledging that not every thought or experience needs to be shared with the world. In the words of the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, there is only one